Okay, so I confirmed through orders that we are going to perform an IV today. And so I walk into my patient's room, I perform my hand hygiene, and then I'm going to confirm their name and date of birth. And after confirming that, then I'm going to explain to my patient that we have an order for an IV. And any kind of, if they have any pain, just to let me know. Okay, so first we are going to apply our tourniquet so that we can find a vein that we want to work with. I don't know how tight I can make these, but we'll try. Okay, so I'm going to palpate for a vein. And I found one. So I will take my tourniquet back off and I'm going to clean the area where we are going to do our IV. Starting in the middle and wiping my way out. And then we're going to let that dry for a minute. And after doing that, I'm going to attach my sodium chloride to my IV extension and clear out any air bubbles. Okay. All right, and then we will reapply our tourniquet. And I'm going to fill from, I got my 18 gauge IV here. And after palpating for my vein, I'm going to insert until I get a flashback. All right, and then I get my flashback, so I will advance my catheter. And then I'm going to slowly pull out and dispose of my sharp. And then I'm going to come up here, block my vein off, pull my tourniquet out, and then we can apply our extension. And I'm going to now flush. Okay. And then now I'm going to apply my clamp, disconnect my flush, and now I'll cover my IV. All right, and I got that locked in. And then I'm going to initial and date for when the IV was administered. Tape here. And we're going to secure the rest of the IV in place. All right, and that is how you put the IV in. And so now, after disposing of all my sharps and garbage, I will now discontinue the IV. So we want to slowly peel back all of the tape without removing the IV. And it'll come off. And then now I got my gauze pad. I will lay it above the IV catheter, slowly pulling it out, and apply pressure. I'm checking the tip of my catheter and it's intact, so we don't have anything missing. And I can apply a Band-Aid or just hold pressure until it quits bleeding, and that is how you insert an IV and discontinue an IV.